From smart kitchen upgrades to effortless home care essentials, these standout finds are designed to simplify daily routines and elevate modern living. Whether you're cooking faster, cleaning smarter, or creating a healthier home, each product blends innovation, convenience, and real-life practicality you'll actually use. All products links in the description section below. The Holstein Housewares non-stick cupcake maker is the perfect addition to your kitchen, offering an easy and fun way to bake cupcakes, muffins, and even savory treats like pizza cups or corn dog muffins. Whether you're preparing for a birthday party, a family gathering, or just indulging in your sweet cravings, this versatile machine makes the process a breeze. With its non-stick coating, cleanup is quick and effortless, while the compact design makes storage a breeze. The bright indicator light ensures you're always in the know, and the safety lock keeps everything secure as you cook. Available in a vibrant lavender shade, it not only delivers delicious results, but also adds a pop of color to your countertop. All this for just $34.99, an affordable way to elevate your baking game. Bring the joy of backyard grilling right into your kitchen with the Puconk Indoor Electric Grill, perfect for cozy apartments, quick weeknight dinners, or fun table grilling with friends. From juicy burgers and sizzling shrimp to melty raclette cheese and crisp veggies, this smokeless grill handles it all with fast heating and easy temperature control. The non-stick, removable plate, and dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup simple, so you can spend more time enjoying the meal and less time at the sink. Compact yet powerful, it's a practical way to cook healthier, low-fat dishes without firing up an outdoor barbecue for busy schedules and small spaces too. If you're ready to upgrade everyday meals into something special, grab it now for $43.69. Give it a try today. Make busy mornings and quick lunches feel effortless with the Fohere 3-in-1 Sandwich Maker, a versatile little hero for kitchens, dorms, or even the office. Whether you're craving golden grilled cheese, fluffy waffles, or a warm panini packed with flavor, this compact machine delivers fast, even heating and customizable temperature control for perfect results every time. The removable non-stick plates make switching meals simple and cleanup stress-free, so you can focus on enjoying good food, not scrubbing. Its sleek design fits neatly on your counter or in a cabinet, making it ideal for everyday cooking in small spaces. If you love homemade comfort food without the wait, this handy gadget might be exactly what your routine needs for just $54.99. Give it a try today. Turn everyday desserts into a fun, creative experience with the Ninja Creamy Ice Cream Maker. Perfect for family nights, weekend treats, or cooling off after a long day. From rich gelato and classic ice cream to smoothie bowls and dairy-free sorbets, this compact machine lets you customize every pint with your favorite mix-ins and ingredients. Just prep, freeze, spin, and enjoy no guesswork, thanks to the simple one-touch programs. It fits neatly on your counter, cleans up easily, and makes homemade treats feel effortless, even on busy days. If you love the idea of healthier options and endless flavor combinations without leaving home, this is a game changer worth trying. Bring dessert dreams to life today for $179.99. Give it a try today. Bring bakery-style fun into your kitchen with the Baby Cakes 3-in-1 Treat Maker, a playful and practical way to whip up cake pops, mini cupcakes, and donuts at home. It's perfect for birthday parties, family baking days, or quick sweet treats without turning on the oven. The interchangeable non-stick plates make switching between desserts easy, while dishwasher-safe cleanup keeps things stress-free. Compact and simple to use, it's great for both beginners and seasoned bakers who love experimenting with bite-sized treats. Whether you're baking with kids or prepping crowd pleasers for guests, this little machine adds convenience and creativity to every batch. If you enjoy making desserts feel special without extra effort, this versatile gadget is worth exploring. Priced at $69.99, give it a try today. Elevate everyday meals and special gatherings with the Lazy Susan Revolution rotating tray, designed to make sharing food effortless and elegant. Perfect for long dining tables, family dinners, and party spreads, this expandable turntable lets everyone reach their favorite dishes without passing plates around. The smooth rotation, heat-resistant surface, and non-slip design keep serving stress-free, even when dishes come straight from the oven. Setup takes just minutes, and cleanup is just as simple, making it ideal for hosts who value convenience and style. Whether you're serving appetizers, main courses, or shared sides, this innovative tray adds a polished, organized feel to your table while keeping guests comfortable and engaged. If you love hosting and want smarter serving without clutter, this clever upgrade is worth considering at $109.98. Give it a try today. Make warm days and after-school snack time more fun with the WMKGG Silicone Ice Pop Molds, a simple way to create healthy, homemade frozen treats everyone will love. Perfect for kids and adults alike, these cone-shaped molds are easy to hold, help catch drips, and release pops smoothly without mess. Whether you're freezing fruit juice, yogurt, smoothies, or creamy ice pops, they turn everyday ingredients into refreshing snacks you can feel good about serving. Cleanup is quick, storage is easy, and the reusable design makes them great for everyday use all summer long. If you're looking for a budget-friendly way to add more fun and control what goes into your treats, this set is a smart pick at $12.99. Give it a try today. Upgrade your everyday cooking with the Ninja Foodie 13-in-1 oven air fryer. Built for busy kitchens that want speed, flexibility, and healthier meals without sacrificing flavor. From crispy fries and frozen favorites to perfectly seared proteins and fresh pizza, this powerful countertop oven handles it all with smart temperature control and fast preheating. The flip-away design helps reclaim counter space, while the built-in thermometer takes the guesswork out of cooking, even on hectic weeknights. Whether you're cooking for family, meal prepping, or experimenting with new recipes, this all-in-one appliance keeps things simple and efficient. If you're ready to replace multiple appliances with one smart solution, this kitchen upgrade is worth considering at $335. Give it a try today. Bring authentic pizzeria vibes wherever you cook with the Gosney Tread Pizza Oven. Designed for outdoor gatherings, weekend cookouts, or spontaneous pizza nights with friends. This hyper-portable oven heats up fast, delivers wood fire-style flames, and gives you precise control for crisp crusts and perfectly cooked toppings every time. Whether you're making classic Neapolitan pizza, flatbreads, or experimenting with creative recipes, it turns cooking into an experience, not a chore. Its bold design and quick cool down make it easy to pack up and take along. So great pizza isn't limited to your backyard. If you love cooking outdoors and want restaurant-quality results without the wait, this premium oven is worth the splurge at $549.99. Bring pizza night anywhere today. Start your morning smarter and smoother with the Wall touchscreen long slot toaster, designed for busy households that love perfectly toasted bread every time. The sleek touchscreen and projection display take the guesswork out of breakfast, letting you choose bread type and shade with a simple swipe. From bagels and waffles to gluten-free slices, the extra long slots and warming rack handle it all with ease. Cleanup is quick thanks to the removable crumb tray, and the stainless steel finish adds a modern touch to your countertop. If you enjoy convenience, precision, and a little tech in your kitchen routine, this toaster is a solid upgrade at $63.56. Give it a try today. Make everyday cooking faster and smoother with the Juicy Art 3-in-1 Immersion Blender, a versatile tool that fits perfectly into busy kitchens and small spaces. From creamy soups and silky sauces to smoothies, baby food, and frothy milk, this powerful hand blender handles it all with ease. The 20-speed settings and turbo mode give you full control, while the ergonomic grip keeps blending comfortable, even with hot or thick mixtures. Its stainless steel design is durable, easy to clean, and splash-resistant, helping keep your kitchen neat during prep. Whether you're cooking weeknight meals or experimenting with new recipes, this blender simplifies the process without cluttering your counter. If you want professional-style results at home for less, this is a smart pick at $27.95. Give it a try today. Simplify your daily routine with the Magic Bullet Blender, a compact powerhouse made for quick meals and on-the-go lifestyles. Perfect for morning smoothies, protein shakes, sauces, or quick meal prep, it blends single portions fast without taking up valuable counter space. The lightweight design and dishwasher-safe cups make cleanup effortless, while the simple twist and blend system keeps things stress-free, even on busy mornings. Whether you're heading out the door or winding down with a healthy snack, this blender makes it easy to enjoy fresh results in seconds. Trusted by millions and ideal for everyday use, it's a practical addition to any kitchen setup. If convenience and reliability top your list, this classic blender is hard to beat at $39.99. Give it a try today. Turn casual meals into something more exciting with the Chefman Everything Maker and Electric Pizza Oven, a countertop favorite for quick, creative cooking. Perfect for homemade pizzas, quesadillas, tortillas, pancakes, and even sweet treats, it brings high-heat cooking without the hassle of a full oven. It heats up fast, crisps evenly on both sides, and the non-stick surface makes serving and cleanup effortless. Whether you're feeding the family, whipping up a late-night snack, or experimenting with new recipes, this versatile appliance keeps things simple and fun. Its sleek design also looks great on the counter while saving space when stored. If you love flexible cooking with minimal prep, this all-in-one maker is a great value at $49.99. Give it a try today. Upgrade your kitchen routine with the Vitamix Ascent X5 blender, built for anyone who loves precision, performance, and long-term reliability. Whether you're blending smoothies for busy mornings, silky soups for dinner, or nut butters and sauces from scratch, this professional-grade blender delivers consistent results every time. The preset programs remove the guesswork, while variable speed control lets you fine-tune textures exactly how you like them. Its self-cleaning feature makes maintenance effortless, and the durable design is made to handle daily use for years to come. Ideal for home cooks who want restaurant-quality results without constant effort, this blender easily becomes the centerpiece of a serious kitchen. If you're ready to invest in power, versatility, and control, this premium choice stands out at $749.95. Experience next-level blending today. Make meal prep faster and far less stressful with the Mullepro Series 10-inch-1 vegetable chopper, a go-to tool for busy kitchens and healthy home cooking. From chopping onions without tears to dicing veggies for salads, stir-fries, or family dinners, this all-in-one chopper saves serious time and effort. The interchangeable stainless steel blades handle slicing, grating, shredding, and julienning with clean, consistent results, while the built-in container keeps your counter neat. Cleanup is quick and dishwasher safe, making it easy to use every day without extra hassle. If you want to cook more at home and cut down prep time without sacrificing freshness, this bestseller is a smart upgrade at $29.99. Make cooking easier today. Upgrade your daily tea and coffee routine with the Chefman electric kettle with temperature control, designed for quick mornings and relaxing evenings alike. It boils water in minutes and lets you choose the perfect temperature for tea, coffee, or hot chocolate, so every cup tastes just right. The clear glass design with LED indicator lights adds a modern touch to your kitchen, while the removable tea infuser makes serving loose-leaf tea easy for guests or quiet moments at home. Cordless pouring and a 360 swivel base keep things convenient and mess-free. If you enjoy hot drinks made properly without waiting around, this kettle is a smart, affordable upgrade at $27.97. Brew better drinks today. Create a fresher, more comfortable living space with the Swiss-Lip Halouve Light Disinfectant, designed for homes that value cleanliness without harsh chemicals. Ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, or small offices, this device uses advanced UV technology to help reduce odors, allergens, and everyday germs that hide in fabrics like mattresses, carpets, and sofas. It's especially helpful for people with allergies or anyone wanting a deeper clean beyond surface wiping. Simple to use and low effort, it fits easily into a weekly home routine while helping improve overall air quality and peace of mind. When used as directed, it offers a hands-off way to refresh your space and support a healthier environment year-round. If you're ready to upgrade your home hygiene routine, this innovative solution is available at $115. Try it today. Keeping your home clean doesn't have to steal your time, and the Eureka J15 Ultra Robot Vacuum Cleaner proves it. Designed for busy households, pet owners, and anyone who loves a spotless space with minimal effort, this smart cleaner vacuums and mops with powerful suction while handling the dirty work on its own. From automatically emptying dust to washing and drying the mop with hot water, it's built for long stretches of hands-free cleaning. It navigates around furniture, tackles edges and corners, and adjusts to different messes without you lifting a finger. Whether you're working, relaxing, or out for the day, your floors stay consistently fresh and polished. If effortless, high-level cleaning sounds like your kind of upgrade, this premium helper delivers real peace of mind at $599.96. Give it a try today. Cooking at home feels a lot more exciting when you have a tool that keeps up with your lifestyle, and the Chefman Crispinator Air Fryer does exactly that. Perfect for busy weeknights, family meals, or weekend treats, it delivers that crave-worthy crunch without the excess oil or mess. The large 8-quart basket makes it easy to cook for everyone at once, while the viewing window lets you keep an eye on food as it crisps to golden perfection. From quick fries and juicy chicken to baking, reheating, or dehydrating snacks, it fits effortlessly into everyday routines. Easy controls, fast cooking, and simple cleanup make it a joy to use regularly. If healthier, faster, and more versatile cooking sounds appealing, this standout air fryer comes in at $129.99 to your everyday cooking routine. Sometimes it's the smallest kitchen tools that make the biggest difference, and these stainless steel corn cob holders are a perfect example. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue, enjoying a cozy family dinner, or packing food for a picnic, they make eating corn cleaner, safer, and way more fun. The heat-resistant silicone handles feel comfortable in your hands, while the sturdy stainless steel prongs keep hot corn firmly in place. The colorful design adds a playful touch to the table, and the included butter spreader turns prep into part of the experience. Easy to use, easy to store, and versatile beyond just corn, they're one of those simple upgrades you'll reach for again and again, all for just $9.95 that completes your summer meals perfectly. Thank you for joining us. Subscribe for more great home, kitchen, and smart gadgets finds. Give this video thumbs up and share your thought in the comments section below.